of showers and thunderstorms this morning, then showers and thunderstorms likely this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may be severe with heavy rainfall. Highs in the mid-80s.
Tornado watch number 293, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hunt, Kaufman, Rockwall, and Tarrant. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions